What's going on, Caffeine Team? In today's episode, we're actually showcasing my new wheels, but I can't show you just yet. We gotta do some prep on the car before we get the new wheels installed, probably tomorrow, but I wanna make sure that we test fit them and that they look good and that they're gonna fit. Now, as you guys know, I have flush kit in my car right now, which is 20 millimeters in the back, 15 millimeters in the front. Those need to come off because my new wheels are a little bit bigger and a little bit lower offset, so they're not gonna fit with the spacers on. So we're gonna take the spacers off today. We're gonna test fit the new wheels. I'll show you what they are, and I'll give you a little background story on how I got these because I got them dirt cheap. Alright, so first things first, we gotta take off all the caps on the lugs, and then we're gonna jack up the car. We're gonna pull off each one of these spacers so that way they're not there when I take it to the tire shop, because chances are they'll probably try to charge me more and just take off the spacers as well. So I'm just gonna take it off, get a test fit in, make sure that the hub rings work, make sure that the lug nuts work, so that way there's no issues when it comes to actually getting these installed tomorrow. So it's a gloomy day in Long Island, but the weather is starting to break, which is good. So we don't have freezing cold temperatures, as you can tell. I'm actually in a light sweatshirt. Oh, almost gave you a sneak peek of what the wheels are. Oh! One more night. So I went around and cracked all of the lug nuts with my breaker bar over there. So pretty much all I gotta do is just jack up the car and start taking some of these off. For those of you guys who were wondering what kind of difference the spacers make, check this out. Look at the wheel gap on that. Look at the difference in offset. Look how tucked in those stock wheels are. And these will be the same as the Austins. And look how these fit. So much more flush. And the new wheels should stand out just a little bit more. For a new day, we live life the hard way. But not today, just stay. So now that the last wheel's taken off, it's time to showcase my new wheels. So, here they are. These wheels are MRR VP7s, and they are 18 by 8.5 with a 35 offset, obviously 5 by 112. Now, funny thing is, I didn't get these directly from MRR. I got these from Aspire Motoring. Aspire Motoring is a website online that sells wheels, all different kinds of wheels. Again, I didn't get them directly through Aspire Motoring website. What Aspire Motoring does is sometimes they run tests on different wheels, and after they put them on to test fit them, they take them off and then they sell them online. The wheels are perfectly fine. They're in great condition. I checked every single one of them, and I got them for $400. Guys, these are $300 wheels a piece. $1,200 wheels for $400. If you guys want to know how I found them, and there are a few more left, you can check the Aspire Motoring website on eBay, and they're selling them for $400. They have these, and they have gunmetal ones, and I think they have about 5 left. So if you guys jump on them, you can get really good, cheap, not so cheap wheels for cheap. So let's get these on. One thing to note, if you buy from the eBay website, because they are test wheels, they're not going to come with the adapter rings. So you're going to need to buy 66.6 to 57.1 adapter rings that are hub centric, so that way they fit on your car perfectly fine in the front, and you're not going to get any shaking. So make sure you do that. I picked these up cheap at Amazon. They were like, I think $9 for it. So I guess $410 for a brand new set of wheels that's gonna make my car look amazing, because these wheels look so sick. So sick. I don't know if you guys are as excited as I am, but these wheels are so sick, and I definitely wanted something that was polished, and I always liked that design from the Vozens, or I'll probably jack that up altogether, but I think they're Vozens. I always like that like spirally design. I don't know, Sammy asked me the question yesterday of which way they're gonna spin, and honestly I don't know. I think they all point the same way. It's a very subtle sort of spinning thing. But anyways, let me stop rambling. Let's test fit these and see how they look. Boys, I think we just came up big. Woo! Look at the stance on that, guys. Look at that. When that tucks, that thing is completely gonna tuck in. That's gonna be so sick. Let me see if I can apply some pressure over here and you guys can see. Oh, I'm not strong enough. But look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that poke. Ooh, that's gonna be so sick. So sick. Oh God, I can't wait to put these on. For the video where we put them on, we gotta wait for a little bit nicer of a day, which is probably gonna be tomorrow. You guys got the sneak peek, you guys got the info. If you want to pick these up, make sure you run over there really quickly because they are running out. There are some stickers still available, so make sure that you guys, if you're interested, click down below, just send me an email and let me know what you like to do. We had quite a few subscribers already pick some up, and there are still some left. So hit me up on the emails and I will send you over a updated list of how many are left of each. Remember, we have a metallic black that's the same color as my side skirts. We have a white, and we have a chrome. The chrome one is actually really nice looking. I'm surprised like only one person picked it up. It's really nice. So thank you very much for watching, Caffeine Team. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for being loyal. Peace out.